This is absolutely crazy. I just created my own anime hairstyles. Check these out. All right, so here they are. I created all of these images using the AI technology that I've been embracing over the last couple of months that I'm really happy about. But look how awesome this is. I mean, who wouldn't want this type of haircut? Check these out. Again, these are all just based off of prompts with me asking for specific results. And all of these anime hairstyles are ones that I just created. Like, I don't even think any of these characters exist. They're just random characters that I created with prompts, with certain hairstyles, certain backgrounds. You're going to see a couple of interesting ones that maybe you're like, whoa, this is nuts. But, I mean, how awesome is this? And I always tell people with anime types of hairstyles, I know some of you want them, and you're always asking, what do I say to my stylist or my barber? How do I get these? You know, the first thing is you have to have a specific hair texture. Very, very straight hair texture. The second thing is a lot of it involves getting your hair texturized with a razor, right? A professional razor, like something called the feather razor. You can even attempt this at home if you want, but I would say do it at your own risk. But a lot of these anime hairstyles are all about having a lot of wispy texture, thinned out ends, which is created by, you know, thinning out the ends a lot by removing a lot of that weight. Maybe some hairspray, some, you know, one of my styling products, but they're not real. But to get them the most realistic is you have to really shape your hair and manipulate your hair to react and look a certain way. So if you want one of these hairstyles, and ignore this text, I don't know what the heck this even is. It just created some random text. But I think it was pulling from the prompts, but still the hairstyle is pretty cool. But keep in mind, if you want this type of look, the hair will be in your face. So this could be good for cosplay. But let me know what you think of these hairstyles, right? I know they're just custom generated and created AI hairstyles and anime hairstyles, but let me know if you like any of them. Let me know if you'd want me to experiment with creating more anime characters, because I am happy to do these. Again, these are existing. These are just newly made. So even though it may look like an anime character, like you may have seen, they don't exist, okay? They don't exist, so these are one of a kind. Let me know in the comments below if there's any sort of prompts or characters you want me to create, and I will just make them based off of certain hairstyles. Maybe you want to see a certain scene. I'm happy to do them. So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of these, and once again, let me know if you like any of them, and thank you so much for watching. So enjoy the rest of these anime hairstyles.